Okay. For index only, we have three options. What is it? Root, slash home, slash index. But rest of the methods doesn't have three options. They can have only one option. What is that? Home slash method name. Home slash method name. Compulsory. Compound name, method name. Three cannot be given. For index only three. For rest of the thing, threes are not allowed. Only one. Yeah, one route only I can define now. Okay, now can I pass a value for this? Slash, just a minute. Home slash method name display one. If I don't pass a value, it's an error. Why? That's mandatory. Slash 10. Display one only, na? No. ID only, na? ID is ID one. No question. Curly braces. I missed the curly braces, guys. I'm sorry. I'm wrong there. Curly braces. Yeah. Even when you're using here, also we use curly braces, na? The same thing. I'm sorry. I missed the curly braces. Okay. You're able to see the screen now, guys? Online students, are you able to see the screen now? Okay. Yeah. What is it, guys? Home slash display one slash 10. Yeah, the value is passed to that now. And if I don't pass a value, it's an error. I want to make it optional. Array, see the program. How is it specified? Question mark. But in MVC5, we write ID is equals to optional. Parameter, here no need. Simply question mark will do the job. Here also I can do the same thing. Come here and use question mark. So it's mandatory or optional? Optional. Okay. Slash home slash display one. Again, I'm asking you, mandatory or optional? Optional. I did not pass a value, and automatically ID will take the default value and execute the code. Are you clear? ID will be taking the default value. Can I pass a value? Yes. I'm passing 10, valid. I'm passing A, valida, invalida. So will I get an error? Error or zero? Zero. Hello. Zero. 34.56. All this will work. All are valid. Why? You said that is optional. You said that is optional. When you say that is optional, all these URLs are going to be valid now. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Well, so that's how you are justifying. But see, guys, I want ID. Whatever you pass, it is taking off now, but giving you zero. No, ID should be integer only. ID should be integer only. Then what I can do? ID colon int. There is a x colon here. X is nothing but a parameter name here. So here ID colon int. I can tell like this. So that what it accepts is only integers. Have a look, all of you. Second method. What it accepts? Only integer values. Run. Slash home slash display to, not passing any value, valid or invalid? Invalid. Okay. Slash 10 valid. Okay, slash a, valid or invalid? Invalid. Why? You clearly said that should be integer. That should be an integer. So compulsory it should be an integer value. Okay, now you see all these scenarios. First one, valid or invalid. Second one, third, all are invalid. Error. Only the first option is valid. So I'm restricting it to accept only integer. See the route constraint now. Are you clear? So that's what the route constraint is all about. The same way, I want to accept only a double value. I want to accept only a double value. See now, I use the question mark also now. I use the question mark also now. Okay now? Now, tell me. Answer me. Slash home slash display 3. If I don't pass a value, will this execute or error? Execute or error? Should execute. Why? We use the question mark there. 0. I am passing slash 10. Valida? Valida invalida? It's valid. Why? 10 can be converted to double. Na? A. Invalid. Double value. Valid. This is a fixed size. You know, decimal values cannot be passed like this in MVC 5. It's also like this now. I'm passing hello. Error. First one. Valida. Second one. Third one. 4, 5, 6. It's 3 errors. Okay. Next. I want to specify a minimum value for this. I want to specify a minimum value now. Look, guys. ID minimum 50. ID minimum 50 is what I'm telling now. Okay. Well. Home. Display 4. Not passing any value. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Slash 10. Valid or invalid? Invalid. Why? Minimum 50 you said na. Minimum should be 50. 50. Valid. 100. Minus 10. Invalid. All these are invalid. Why? Minimum you said it is going to be 50. Look, first one. Second. Third. 4. 5. 1 to 3 are errors. 4 and 5 is valid. Same way you can set up the maximum value also, guys. Maximum. For the maximum, 100 is the maximum value. Muhammad, that problem is from yourself, from your side, man. You just require to check your sound system and your network speed. Okay, index 5. I'm calling index 5 without any value. Oh, sorry, display 5. I'm sorry. Display 5 without any value. Valida, invalida. Louder. No question mark there, na. Mandatory. No question mark there. Mandatory. Some values will be passed. 10. Minus 5. Minus 5. Valid. Why? You set up the maximum. Below that, everything is accepted now. 99. Valid. 100. 101. Invalid. Is that clear? See, first one, invalid. 3, valid. 4, 5, valid. 5 is valid again. Here, 1 is error and 4 is error. Okay, next. You can give a range of values, man. Minimum and maximum. You can give a range of values. Slash home slash display 6. Display 6. What are the Indian values? 51 to 100. Correct now? I'm giving 50. Invalid. 50 is invalid now. 51 is valid. 99 valid. 100 valid. 101 invalid. 101 is invalid now. Okay. So you can give a range of values. First one, invalid. Second, third, 4, 5,